Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom again and find the build number and keep tapping on it. I know it may be quite confusing, but trust me, it is necessary. And be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now let's go back to the general settings and enter the system. And as you can see right here, we've got the developer options, which we've just unlocked. A quick disclaimer, if you'd like to learn more about the developer options, not only how to turn them on, but how to customize particular options there, then I highly recommend to check our tutorial about the developer options, which I've just recorded. So I really highly recommend to check it. So let's enter the developer options, and basically here all we have to do is to simply find automatic system updates. Let's tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, which simply means that from now on your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to. So after activating it, you don't really have to remember about manually updating your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time. So basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your NOKIA X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.